monthly test of the emergency alert system. Equipment that is used to warn you during a real-time emergency is being tested to ensure that it is working properly. The system is tested on a monthly basis, which is required by law. There are also weekly versions of these tests that only feature tones and no message. These are the same tones that you would hear if an actual emergency was in progress, but instead of this test message, you would have received critical information or instructions to help you protect your life or property. These tones may be triggering to some, but it is simply the sound of computerized equipment exchanging alert information from a center like the National Weather Service or a law enforcement agency to a receiver like your local radio station or television provider. Again, this is only a test. There is no ongoing emergency. The following tones will end this test and return you to regular programming.